President Donald Trump has stated that many Americans could see significantly larger federal tax refunds as they prepare to file their 2025 tax returns during the 2026 filing season. The expectation of higher refunds follows major changes to the U.S. tax code enacted in 2025. The sweeping tax and spending legislation reshaped multiple tax provisions, introducing new deductions and modifying several credits that apply to the 2025 tax year. According to administration officials, these reforms are expected to lead to one of the most substantial refund seasons in recent history. Early estimates suggest that average refund amounts could rise noticeably compared to previous years. Some projections indicate that refunds may increase by hundreds, and in some cases over $1,000, with average gains estimated between 15% and 20% for certain taxpayers. One major factor behind the larger refunds is that federal withholding tables were not fully adjusted during 2025 to reflect all of the new tax changes. As a result, many workers had more money withheld from their paychecks than necessary throughout the year. When they file their returns, the excess withholding is expected to be refunded. The revised tax law includes provisions aimed at reducing the federal tax burden for individuals. Among the changes are adjustments to the standard deduction, expansions of certain credits, and targeted benefits for specific groups. The administration has also highlighted provisions affecting income from tips and overtime for eligible earners as contributing factors to higher refunds. However, tax professionals caution that refund amounts will vary widely depending on income, filing status, and eligibility for credits and deductions. While some taxpayers may see a noticeable boost, others may experience smaller changes depending on their financial circumstances. Additionally, certain refunds could face processing delays. Returns that include specific refundable credits are subject to anti-fraud review timing rules, which may temporarily slow the release of funds, regardless of refund size. Despite these considerations, the administration has emphasized that the overall impact of the 2025 tax reforms is intended to provide financial relief to many Americans, particularly middle-income households. With filing season underway and millions already submitting returns, this year's tax season is shaping up to be one of the most closely watched in recent years, as taxpayers look to see how the new policies affect their refunds.